Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix fail to connect to update server. Please check your network connection. Click OK to retry or cancel to exit game. So if you are getting this error in where winds meet game, then here follow the fixes. Now before following any of the fixes, first check the server status of where winds meet game. So you can go to the subreddit of where winds meet game on Reddit website, or you can also visit the Twitter website of where winds meet game and then check if everyone is facing the server issue, such as if their server status is down, under maintenance, or having any outage. Then you have to wait for their server status to get back online and then you can check. Now if their server status is online and if you are still facing this problem, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, then click on manage ransomware protection. Then click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. If you have installed the game on Steam, then open program files x86, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder, where winds meet folder, engine folder, binaries folder, win64r folder, and then look for the game exe file. Select this wwm exe file and then click open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall. Then click on change settings and then click on allow another app, then click on browse and then again browse to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. Open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open where winds meet folder, open engine folder, open binaries folder, open win64r folder, then look for the game exe file, select this wwm exe file and then click open and then click on add. Now in my case it is already added, and then click OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESET, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well, and then you can check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program for a while. Now launch the game and check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Now fix 2 is to disconnect and then reconnect internet. So simply disconnect your internet connection and then reconnect and then launch the game and check. Fix 3, switch internet connection. If connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to Ethernet cable to access internet, or switch to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If connected to Ethernet cable, then switch to Wi-Fi or switch to mobile data via hotspot and then check. Fix 4 is to connect or disconnect VPN. So you can download and install any VPN of your choice from the internet, then launch the VPN app and then connect to a different location and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then if you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect VPN and then check. Now fix 5 is to restart your PC or restart your Wi-Fi or modem router. So simply restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, launch the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then simply restart your Wi-Fi or modem router and then check. Fix 6 is to change DNS server. So in Windows search type control panel and open it. And then click on view network status and tasks. Then click on your connected internet. Then click on properties. Then select internet protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 and then click on properties. Now here select use the following DNS server address, and in the preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4. Then click on validate settings upon exit and then click OK and then close it. Then go ahead and launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then uncheck internet protocol version 6 TCP IPv6. Now if internet protocol version 6 TCP IPv6 is check mark, then untick it, then click OK and then close it and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Later you can check it after playing the game. So after playing the game, check mark it and then click OK and then close it. Fix 8 is to run the game as admin. So wherever you have installed the game, just open the game installation folder. In my case, I have the game on Steam. So go to library, right click on where winds meet, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. then open engine folder, then open binaries folder, win64r folder, then right click on wwm.exe file and then select run as administrator, and then check if this fixes your issue or not. Fix 9 is to run Steam or Epic Games or WWM where Winds Meet launcher as an admin and then check. So if you have the game on Steam, then in Windows search type Steam, then open Steam as an administrator and then launch the game and check. Now if you have the game on Epic Game, then here in Windows search type Epic Games, run Epic Games launcher as an administrator and then launch the game and check. Now if you have installed the game from the Where Winds official website, if you have installed the game from here, then open the launcher and then run the WWM launcher as an admin and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 10 is to reset internet connection. So in Windows search type CMD and open command prompt as an administrator. Click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt you have to type this code one by one and hit enter. These codes are just to reset internet connection, so you don't have to worry about it. Just copy and paste this code from my video description. I have provided this code in my video description. Now you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So close this command prompt and then just restart your PC once. You have to restart your PC, it is a must. And then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 11 is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Where Winds Meet game and then select properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can launch the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. Now if none of the solution work for you, then last solution is to switch launcher. So if you have the game on Steam, then switch to Epic Games, install the game from the Epic Games and then check, or you can also download the game from the Where Winds Meet official website from here and then check. Now if you have the game on Epic Games, then switch to Steam or switch to Where Winds Meet official website. Download the game from the official website and then check. And if you have downloaded the game from the Where Winds Meet official website, then switch to Epic Games or Steam and then check. So just switch the platform and see which one works for you. So by following these fixes, you can easily fix fail to connect to update server error in Where Winds Meet game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.